OpenSky Network is an open, crowdsourced flight tracking database. In this video, I'll show you how to pull live flight data from their API and turn it into a Kafka stream, which in the next video, we'll use to detect some interesting flight patterns. First, I'll set up an event generator that fires every 10 seconds. Then I hook up an HTTP enricher to it. And for the URL, I just grab this example query straight from the OpenSky docs. It covers a bounding box over Switzerland, so we'll be tracking every flight in that area. Back in the event generator, I add a single test record, just so when I hit test, it fires one event through the HTTP enricher. This way I can check if the API works and see what the response actually looks like. And here's a nice trick. I can drag and drop the response from outgoing records straight into the mock field on the enricher. Now every time I run tests, the scenario uses this mock instead of calling OpenSky again. Much faster, and I won't be hammering their API while building out the rest of the flow. The OpenSky API returns an array of aircraft states, so I add a for each node to iterate over them. I use the expression builder to pick the states array from my context, and thanks to the earlier test, I can already preview the actual flight data in the list. Next, I use the AI assistant to generate an Avro schema based on the OpenSky state field's description, and with that, I create a Kafka topic called flights. I run the test again, so the for each node also has sample data. I add a Kafka sync and select the flights topic. The sync creates a form based on the Avro schema, and I use the data mapper to build mappings for each field. Just drag and drop from the scenario context. Thanks to running the test with live data, I can preview the values being mapped. I hit deploy, and that's it. Flight data from OpenSky is now streaming into my Kafka topic every 10 seconds. In the next video, I'll show you how to use Apache Flink complex event processing in Nussknacker to detect patterns in this stream, like landings, go-arounds, or rapid descents. Stay tuned.